OpenAI introduces ChatGPT Atlas, the new browser extension that brings the power of ChatGPT everywhere users go on the web. Atlas enables ChatGPT to understand what users are trying to do, right in the window where they are. It completes tasks for users effortlessly. No copying and pasting, no leaving the page. You can ask ChatGPT to give recommendations while you're searching up something on a website. OpenAI rolls out Atlas today to everyone on macOS. Windows, iOS, and Android versions are coming soon. ChatGPT accompanies users anywhere across the web, now making browsing magical. It helps users focus on what matters, with AI that's always one step ahead. It even works while you're writing emails, helping you adjust your tone and making your writing more professional. It can even pick up where you left off, so you can continue with the task you were working on. It will now work as your own personal assistant, doing all the tasks for you. The new ChatGPT Atlas can now act as the AI operator and can browse independently across the web and even make purchases on your behalf. The way people browse the internet has now completely been upgraded. It will now work as your own personal assistant, doing all the tasks for you. The way we interact with different websites has now changed. It might just become our new browsing model and a new way of doing things. Let's say it will become a smarter way to explore the web. Users can download ChatGPT Atlas today at chatgpt.com/atlas and redefine how they browse. Let's listen to Sam launch this brand new feature from OpenAI.
Good morning. Today we're going to launch ChatGPT Atlas, our new web browser. This is an AI-powered web browser built around ChatGPT. It's something we've been super excited about and working hard on for a long time and really excited to share with you today. We think that AI represents like a rare once-a-decade opportunity to rethink what a browser can be about and how to use one and how to sort of most productively and pleasantly use the web. Tabs were great, but we haven't seen a lot of browser innovation since then, so we got very excited about the opportunity to really rethink what this could be. And in the same way that for the previous way people use the internet, the URL bar of a browser and the search box were a great analog, the way that we hope people will use the internet in the future, and that we're starting to see, is that the chat experience and a web browser can be a great analog. So we got to work designing a browser based around this kind of experience. The browser is already where a ton of work and sort of life happens. And we think that by having ChatGPT be sort of a core way to help you use that you can chat with a page, you can use ChatGPT to find stuff, you can use an agent mode with ChatGPT in a browser, way more stuff that we'll show you and you can try out later. We can take this pretty far.